today we will be repotting squash plants. So here are our squash plants in this little seeding starter tray. So this half, we have squash plants. So we started them out as seeds, and it's been about 2 weeks or so, and here they're sprouting. So they've been pretty big, and so now we are going to repot them into these pots. So after they grow like more than 4 inches, we will be repotting them outside in the open so they have much more space to grow. So we're just going to be potting here. So in this soil, we have chicken manures, we have dirt, we have fertilizers, and here, this soil we have seed starter mix. Here we have potting mix. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be getting one plant. So what you're going to do, you're going to get all the way down to the bottom, and then hold the plant by its stem so it doesn't go away. So then you're just going to gently rise up and careful not to break the roots. If you feel something tugging, just go in that direction and just gently wiggle that part out. I'm just going to gently pot it here. So while you're still holding that, you're just going to surround it with soil. Like that. So I forgot to mention that before you place the squash or whatever plant you're planting in there, always remember to loosen up the soil. Loosen up the soil so that when you pour the water in daily, it'll just flow out easily, and that's good for your plant because you don't want to overwater it or underwater it. So here, see, when you hold it up and then pour water around it, it should stay up. So just loosen it up, and there. So now what we're going to do, we're going to be watering it. Since we don't have a watering can, we decided to make one. So here is a regular milk jug, just all normal, just a regular milk jug. But at the top, at the cap, we drilled some holes down. We drilled some holes, and so that it acts like a watering can when we pour it out. Just like this. What you're gonna do, you're going to go to the bottom of the stem, and go all around it. If you want, you can sprinkle some on the leaves, but don't do too much or it's going to lean to one side. Like that. Just going to pour more soil. In there. So I kind of pushed it down a little so it kind of stays up. But remember daily to loosen it, make sure it's not all scrunched up in one piece. And there you go. That's how you repot a squash plant. So I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!